Hi everyone. I described the meaning of a FIR and the procedure of filing one in the previous video. Now I am going to inform you of your rights in case an FIR is filed against you. Let's start the topic. What are your rights under the law? First, right to be informed. You have the absolute right to be informed of the exact grounds for your arrest. Second, right to legal counsel. You can consult and be represented by an advocate of your choice at all stages of the legal process. Third, right to be produced before a magistrate. If arrested, police are legally required to produce you before the nearest judicial magistrate within 24 hours. Fourth, protection from coerced confession. You have the right to remain silent or cannot be forced to give a statement that incriminates yourself. Fifth, notice of appearance. For offences carrying a prison sentence of fewer than 7 years, police must first issue a formal notice. Under Section 41A of the Code of Criminal Procedure or Section 35 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, requiring you to cooperate with the investigation rather than immediately arresting you. Sixth, right to seek bail. First, anticipatory bail. If you anticipate being arrested for a non-bailable offence, you can apply anticipatory bail under Section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, formerly Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, to the Session Court or the High Court before being taken into custody. Second, regular bail. If already arrested, you or your advocate can file a regular bail application. Seventh, quashing the FIR. If the FIR is fabricated, vindictive or baseless, you can approach the High Court under Section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, formerly Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure or Article 226 of the Constitution to have the FIR quashed.